Hello, Sue Whale here from the Floristry Trade Club. I've got these lovely seasonal China Aster, a flower with real autumnal associations, otherwise known as Callistephus.
Why not join us at the Interflora Floristry Trade Club for more information, lots of pictures, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Now these are such cheerful flowers, lovely colours, bright pinks, purples, lemons, peaches. They do have a reputation, however, for polluting the water, so it's really important you condition them well. So if you look at this stem here, not only are the leaves almost down to the bottom of the stem, so they need to come off, there's also some damaged stems and some side shoots which I'm going to snip off as well. And then before I put it into the vase, I'm going to recut the stem at an angle. Handle them carefully because you can see here that this head is actually broken off. However, all is not lost because there are a couple of smaller side shoots which I will keep because they are quite handy to use in funeral work or in small arrangements. One of the things I love about China Asters is that they are grown in the UK, and it makes them a really popular flower, as UK grown is obviously very popular, and these are just such a lovely seasonal flower to have in your house. And if you condition them correctly, you will probably get, I would say, a couple of weeks out of them. The important thing really is probably not to have them anywhere that's too warm, because that will always hasten the vase life of your flower. And again, you can see here, I'm just trimming off these side shoots and tidying all of this up before recutting the stem at an angle and popping them into the vase.
Why not join us at the Interflora Floristry Trade Club for more information, lots of pictures, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.